Look at that. You can see it. I got it.
Holy freaking!
Look at that.
As you can see, we're standing in the garage. Outside is a absolutely horrible storm with marble-sized hail, probably completely destroying.
Oh snap!
My car.
Oh no!
Oh my god!
Dude, it's
And yet
the sun.
Yes.
Look at that. The sun has come out completely, and it is hailing and raining. And the rain just
everything
stopped.
just completely stopped.
Holy cow!
This is Alabama weather at its finest.
It is.
Cloud cover's about to come back, and I believe a tornado is going to hit within the next 10
That's
minutes.
insane. My phone is about to blow up. There's so many text messages. Of course, Chelsea spells hell with H-E-L-L. See if I can get around the corner without getting my feet wet. Yep. Ooh, it's dark over there. My battery's
Trade cameras. I'm not wearing socks.
My battery's about to go dead.
Trade cameras.
Camera's trading.
Insane water flow across the whole yard. Storm clouds really dark in the distance, and yet, you know, bright and sunny out here. All right, I'm gonna quickly move to my car. Still hear the tornado sirens. Water rushing down the street. Nothing major, a lot of leaves. Other than my front bumper, everything looks to be alright. Hail covering the ground. Alright, this is too weird. With it being this sunny. Ah, that water is cold. That's the melted hail. This is insane.
This is crazy. Can I pull this out yet?
Don't know, maybe.
Oh, no.
Well, they're into that video. Charging it.
And it's freezing.
I know, right?
Dude, there's blue sky.
Yeah, I know.
Blue sky right there. That is a fast moving storm.
If it's even over.
Ah, it's cold.
It's frozen water balls. Of course it's cold.
Here's my hand. Here's the size. It's, I don't know,
I'd say
marble size.
as it was falling.
It's insane.
Could have been any bigger. Would have been it my foot.
Yep.
It's fine. I'll park my car at an angle.
Blue sky. It's gone.
I know. This is the weird. Oh my god.
So strange.
This is the weirdest storm. Here comes the camera's on. The battery already. It's already dead.